Alright, now I built the tower. The clutches are excellent, I didn't see any problem, the clearance is perfect. I use this oil, this torque converter is from the other transmission, not from this transmission. I just bring it here inside to build together. Then this is the 2.5, 2.4 millimeters, 2.35 and 2.55. These are the washers, the seams. These are different than this one, obviously, from the old transfer case I'm talking about. And on the small bearing, this has too much wear. You cannot use it again. Fortunately, I don't have to use it. I have the other one. I hope to be okay. We're gonna see about that. Keep in mind that it's not only about the in and out, the clearance. It has to align properly this here with this one. It has to be proper aligned. Also the same thing with that one. It cannot be, let us say, on the left or on the right. It's not gonna work. That's why I said before that I might need to change the housing to get the housing that belongs this transfer case. And the same thing is gonna happen with this one. Because also this, it has to be centered, let us say, with this one. You have three in a row. You have the transmission housing, the transfer case housing, and the cover back. Yep. In any case, don't pay attention on that. This bearing is for this gear, and then there are the spacers. Just getting some measurements from the steady points, just to be happy, so don't have any headache. Standing by for the bearings. Okay, the one that's missing from here, it's because I give it as a sample. I don't want to make any mistake and give me a different bearing. And I think that I give also one sample from this bearing. Yep, that's why it's missing. Yeah. Let's see. Will I gonna receive it today to finalize it? Who knows? Success! Beautiful! After 2 days, I received one bearing. How lovely! How nice. If we continue like that, I need another 6 days to receive another 3 bearings. How lovely. It will gonna stay here for another day, the transmission. Amazing. They brought me the sample back. This is the single bearing, the small one. I need only one small and 3 from the big one. Alright. I'm gonna install it with a spacer behind. I cannot do anything else actually. I'm gonna just put it in place. That's it. Yeah, finish here the video. What should I say? What should I do? Right? Screw it.